All right, 2 December 2025. What a day. Just got doing my workout and it was brutal. I think I was in here an hour and a half working out. I did full body. Tomorrow's a rest day, but I will walk a few miles, a couple miles at least. And I'll probably do some no weight squats and everything's good. I feel kind of exhausted, but that's a good thing. I got something from UPS. And look, it says it's to Pauly Detmers. Let's see what it is. That was almost like another workout right there. My arms feel like noodles. Okay, this is it. I can't believe it. Would you set your eyes upon that? Oh no. They won, so I said I would buy the hat and I'd wear it. Here we go. I think it's too small right now. Let's open it up. We'll put it on. First time ever to wear Alabama hat. How do you like that, Ronald? How do you like that, my Michigan people? How do you like that, the rest of you? Yeah, I better close the garage door before someone sees me wearing this. I already got a reputation for being from Michigan. I wonder how that happened. But, yeah, pretty cool. Proud to live here, that's for sure. I'm just not really a fan of this team. Yeah, not really a fan of this team. Don't hate them. They brought some great players to the Detroit Lions, like this guy. Well, this is an old number. Gibbs, and then my favorite player in the Lions, J-Mo. Williams, Mr. Williams. Great wide receiver. Gibbs is a great running back. He's got Barry Sanders-like numbers right now. In yesterday's video, I mentioned something about the science of weightlifting, bodybuilding. I hate using the word science. I like to call it, it would have been better if I called it the art of weightlifting, the art of bodybuilding. Science. Science has been wrong. Science is not necessarily true. They used to bleed people out to heal. That was science. They used to think the world was flat. That was science. They said you couldn't swim after eating. That was science. Then they told us to take it. That's not science. They're saying it might freeze in the middle of the night tonight, probably more towards tomorrow morning. So all the fruit-bearing trees, this is what I did. I covered them all up. Yeah, it sure gets cold here in Alabama, doesn't it? Oh well. Thank you for watching, folks. Till next time.